AI and ChatGPT will kill lot of programming jobs and coding jobs. Is this fact? Is this reality? What happened recently, I got one question on my social media account. He was asking, "Sir, I am doing a programming course. I want to become a software developer, and I heard that this ChatGPT AI will kill the programming job. Should I do programming course or not?" Let me answer this question. So I will answer this question in two segments. Okay. See, programming jobs is going to be killed by AI or not. So if you want to understand this fact, you have to understand the programming first. Okay. See, now today AI is creating a lot of coding. It is fact. We find a lot of tools are there. For example, if you know the GitHub's Copilot, okay, go to GitHub Copilot. This Copilot, this is the AI tool, AI platform, which is capable of producing a lot of codes. Just say to Copilot, give some scenario, this will create a lot of codes. Similarly, ChatGPT, go to ChatGPT and tell the ChatGPT, give a prompt, hey, I want this is my scenario. For example, add two numbers, find the Fibonacci series, find the factorial, something like that. Just give some prompt, and ChatGPT and this kind of tool will generate the AI, generate the code for you. Okay, it can be any language. So will this going to destroy the coding job? Because now this tool like AI, Copilot, this ChatGPT is able to produce code. So as a programmer, should you worry? You think that as a programming job, I will not get a job in future? This is not going to happen. A lot of people don't understand this AI tool, how this AI tool is going to help the programmers. Okay, see, this coding, this auto generation coding is not the new for industry. If you're using Eclipse, I hope you might know Eclipse. Okay, if you're using the Eclipse ID, you will find a lot of auto suggestion kind of code in Eclipse, right? So it is just giving you suggestions. Similarly, this AI tool like ChatGPT, Copilot, as a programmer, they are giving you some suggestion, some code, which are the redundant code, which are the repeated code. Okay, so this tool, what you think, they are helping the programmer to give the code. Okay, this code, whatever code you're getting through the AI tool like Copilot or ChatGPT, as a programmer, this code is not production ready. I repeat, this code, whatever you're getting, this code is not production ready. You cannot copy and paste this code and you can build the software. See, software development is a very complex process. Okay, this is just a buzzword, just a, I would say, rumor about the AI. AI is going to kill the programmer's job. It is not going to happen. Okay, so AI, this is the fact that today AI will produce code. You cannot deny this fact, and it is happening today. Okay, AI can produce a code in every language. It's a Java, JavaScript, Python. Every language they can produce the code, but this code is not production ready. Because as a software developer, if you want to develop the software, you have to understand the business case. Coding, software development is not only for coding. Okay, software development, it's a very complex process. You have to create the code and you have to fit the code for the business context, because as a programmer, you are solving a problem. You're solving a business problem. To understand the business problem, your robot or AI will not solve that. I believe that AI is not so mature that he can understand the business problem. AI can produce the code, but they cannot solve the business problem. To solve the business problem, still we need human. We need a programmer, good programmer, and this programmer can take the code which are produced by AI and they fit into their business requirement. They have to modify the code and they have to fulfill the business requirement. Only then you can develop the software. Okay, so it has two parts. First, producing the code and fitting the code for the business requirement. So now, my friend, tell me, is it really possible that AI is going to kill your job? If you're trying to become a programmer or software developer, backend developer, it is not going to happen. So don't worry about it. If you're trying to become a programmer developer, totally don't worry about it. It's not going to happen. But what you have to learn as a programmer, you have to learn about this AI tool. You cannot ignore AI tool, because this AI tool is going to become your friend, basically. Okay, so you have to learn this AI tool. For example, ChatGPT, how to leverage ChatGPT to produce my Python code. to produce my Java code, to produce my JavaScript code, how to use those Copilot AI tool to produce some code, some skeleton of code. So as a programmer, you have to get familiar with this AI tool and you have to leverage this for your job. So the answer, my friend, it is not going to happen. Don't worry that your job or development job is going to be completely replaced by AI. It is not going to happen because software development is a very complex process. There are a lot of things are involved, like writing the code, understanding the business requirement, deployment. There are a lot of things happen. So don't worry about it. It's not going to happen.